So I really wanted to transform these cookies into something that just screams like la 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 la. Hey guys, I'm Katie and I've been a Tasty producer for the last 3 years, and today I'm going to talk about my first viral Tasty video, sugar swirl cookies. These cookies are actually inspired by my grandmother's sugar cookie recipe. It was the first recipe I ever learned how to make, and pretty soon I got really good at it. I was like 10 years old and my family would start just requesting them on like a weeknight. And it was really the first recipe I ever memorized. Like I just could whip it up. Didn't even need to look at a card. When I first saw that this video was going viral, I was so happy because I think I felt like I put my heart out there. I brought some part of my family with me, and that's really what gave me the success. And I think when you do something authentic and genuine and something you really feel passionate about, people always respond to that. And it felt good to have that affirmation that other people were enjoying something that my grandmother had made and my family had enjoyed, and now the whole internet was enjoying it too. But I also was so excited that other people found it approachable and it made their holidays joyful, and that makes me really happy. Anyone who works at Tasty or knows me in my life knows that I am absolutely obsessed with the holidays. I love all the decorations, I love dressing up, I love giving presents. I'm just obsessed, and I love like making food and hosting gatherings. Cookies are one of my favorite things about the holidays because it's such an excellent way to express yourself. Every year my aunt makes a bucket of different cookies that she gives out to everyone in the family, and that's the thing I'm more excited about than any present I get, is just this bucket of cookies. And then everyone gets their own and we're all fighting over it, and we're like, nobody take cookies out of my bucket. And it's really special to me. I actually got her permission to use my grandma's recipe before I was like altering it for this video, because cookies are sacred in my family. What I really love about these cookies is how customizable they are, and that you can use them for any holiday. It could be Halloween, it could be St. Patrick's Day, which is my birthday. But I just love that you can use any sprinkles or color to just make it celebrate whatever you want to celebrate. My number one tip for this recipe is to make sure you chill that dough for the 4 hours. Because this is a slice and bake, you really want to make sure that it's got its shape and it's holding well, and putting it in the fridge is going to help guarantee that you get these perfect circles when you slice it. One of the trickiest parts of this recipe is rolling the 2 sheets of dough together. If you're in a really hot kitchen, you can put one of the sheets in the fridge while you prep the other. This will make it easier when you go to roll up your dough. Let the plastic wrap help you get that first swirl so you get a really tight circle. You want to start strong and end strong.
Oh yes!